Now, in this episode, we are going to see the prime numbers of our algorithm. Now, first, we're going to start by calling the function signature of a prime number. So, the prime number, the param of the prime number, we are going to call it if n is less than 2, then return false. Why? Because the prime number of an integer should give you a number that is less than 1. Now we will take that and iterate through our loop and see how the prime number is going to be sorted in the algorithm. Let the index of number is equals to 2. So index minus less or equals to. Now, for you to find a prime number, because you're going to define by 2, we are going to use a math square root method to call the number. So we are going to declare it, and we're going to declare the number in the square root of the math. So the result should return the param or the value of the parameter modulus 1, modulus in the index of the number. And remember, the modulus should be a number that is greater than 1. So the modulus is not equals to 0. Then we're going to return a true value. But that value is going to depend with the parameter that we're going to be calling. Now our first n value is going to be 1, and the next value is going to be 5, while the other number that we're going to call in our function is 4. So when you're calling the three numbers, when you call the first one, so n is greater, or rather n value is less than 2. So when you iterate through the loop, the value of n is going to return a false value, a Boolean value. Whereas the value of 5, which we're going to, as the parameter, is going to give you a true Boolean. While the value of 4 is going to give you a false Boolean value. I hope we are in the same page, and I hope to see you in the next episode about the algorithm of math. Because this one, I hope you can refer to the notes or pause and try it yourself and see how you're going to get the results.